In this video, you'll learn how to send offers to watches on eBay. This process allows you to encourage potential buyers and increase your chances of making a sale. Start by opening the Seller Hub on eBay. Navigate to the section labeled Active Listings. Here you will find a list of items you currently have for sale. Look for listings that are marked with the label Send Offers Eligible. This indicates that you have the option to send offers to those who are watching your items. Next, select the specific listing you want to target. Once you have chosen the item, locate and click the button that says Send Offer to Watchers. This will prompt a new window to open where you can set the terms of your offer. You will be able to choose a discounted price that is lower than your current listing price. This discount is designed to entice watchers to make a purchase. After you have set the discounted price, confirm the offer. It is important to note that your offer typically expires within 48 hours if the buyer does not accept it. This time limit creates a sense of urgency, encouraging watchers to act quickly. Make sure you clearly communicate this expiration to potential buyers if you have the opportunity. Once you've confirmed the offer, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the offer has been sent to your watchers. Keep an eye on your notifications for any responses from potential buyers. If they accept your offer, you will be notified and you can proceed with the transaction as normal. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.